This is our 2-second lean class. In our class, we're going to take a look at our folder structure and how the files that we create from the takeoff program are imported into the folders for release. So currently, we're going to walk through what our process is, and then we'll come up with a solution after that.
So what I'm going to do for our first example is to export a glass order and how I would typically get that information to the PM for my job. So we're using Oakme Tower as our guinea pig here. So what I would do, which I've already done, is filter for the whole job, rebuild my unit framing system, and optimize, which I've already done. Then I would go down here to the export glass form, search for the ProjMan folder, open that up. I would go to their materials folder, and I would create, which I've already done for this job, but I'll create a new one. I would create a glass takeoff or whatever takeoff I happen to be doing at that time. Open that, and that is where my Excel form would go. Click OK, and now the takeoff program is creating the glass order form.
So the problem that we were finding was that as that form was completed, it was only in the ProjMan folder, and then the project manager would take that and manipulate it by adding in the data for the glass, changing materials or quantities as necessary, and then releasing that to purchasing. So we found that there was no way to keep track of what was released based on the takeoff program compared to what was actually ordered. So we're going to solve that problem next.
In addition to the Excel form, I would also have to put key sheets, which I would do for most takeoffs that we do. I would go here into our batch print. I would choose the key that we're looking for. In this case, it's the glass key sheet, PDF 11 by 17. And then again, go through the folder structure, look for the ProjMan materials folder that I just made, and then select the elevations that I need the key sheets for. And then the program automatically creates the key sheets with the PDF in PDF version.
Okay, if we come up with a folder structure that's going to resolve the issues that we had, we're going to create in the ProjMan materials folder, the folders that are going to be releases are going to be dated inside of the actual category. So we'll have the glass, and then inside of the glass folder will be the glass release with the date on it. That way any new folder that gets created will have a date, and they will sort. At this point, the PM could take ownership of that folder and do whatever is necessary. Our original copy is going to actually be in the drafting takeoff folder. We're going to create a new folder in here called Materials Released to PM. Inside of that folder is going to be each of the takeoffs, and each of those are also going to be sorted with the date on the folder.